Some officials not taking any chances ahead of the big reopening of borders come Wednesday. Over in Bahama, tourism business compliance trainings aimed at ensuring those on the front lines are fully aware of the safety protocols needed to better navigate through the pandemic. Jay Philippe has the story.
The Ministry of Tourism on Bahama Island holding a tourism business compliance training workshop for frontline workers who may come in contact with visitors, whether domestic or international. General Manager of the Bahama Tourism Office, Stephen Johnson, says the two-day workshop is designed to promote safety measures and prevent the spread of the coronavirus.
We're training persons, tourism compliance training, getting ready to open here on July 1st. And so this is a necessary training for persons within the tourism industry, anything from all the health and safety requirements and regulations for opening, making sure that persons are safe and they know exactly the procedures necessary to move forward here in the tourism industry in Bahama.
Workers from various sectors in the tourism industry are participating. Johnson says even though the workshop was not mandatory, he believes it will prove beneficial to all.
We are requiring that everybody in the tourism sector, from vendors to cab drivers, tour drivers, everybody, airline personnel, we are asking them to come out and do it because with everything going on with COVID-19, we've not seen this before. And we want to make sure that persons coming in to the Bahamas are safe. And obviously, we want to make sure that persons in the Bahamas are safe as well, too. So we want to make sure that everybody knows exactly what they need to do in order to be safe and to keep Bahama moving in this COVID-19 era.
Terrell Pentard-Smith, Infection Prevention Control Manager at the Public Hospitals Authority, emphasizing safety measures such as social distancing, hand hygiene, the use of face masks, cleaning and disinfecting surfaces.
It's important for those persons, especially those persons coming in face-to-face contact with tourists or locals coming in through the airport, to be cognizant of all of those things and very vigilant with them. This is not the time to slacken our ride. We know that the public has become very comfortable because we've had no cases. But now that we open up, we don't know what to expect as we go in. So it's very important for us to be vigilant in those four areas.
Johnson says that most of the hotel properties will be ready for the July 1st reopening.
I've visited a number of our hotel facilities to inspect to make sure they have the things in place, such as the signing, the necessary health equipment, and also the plexiglasses at the front desk and whatever. And I can tell you so far, a number of our hotels have already received clearance and are ready to go. It's really, really good to see the solid plan that we have in place here for Bahama at our marinas, at the hotels, and soon to open will be all of the tour companies and places like the Garden of the Groves and the Nature Center. We've really done a really good job in educating our persons about the COVID-19 era. And this is the new norm.
I'm Jay Philippe, ZNS Network News.